Hello, how are you? Today we're going to physical therapy on the Liberty Professional Plaza in Fernandale, New York. Would like to see Excel therapy, and we're going inside. Okay, it's very nice area. I appreciate you. Thank you very much.
No problem.
I could not walk with my broken calcaneus. I got fractured my calcaneus. Okay, thank you very much. We're going inside. Can you push me up to physical therapy, please?
Where's that?
In the right side, yeah. Liberty Professional Plaza. Just 1 second. Yes. So here. Okay. Thank you very much. The room, it's number 6. Okay.
You okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. This is the office of physical therapy of Excel. Hi, how are you? Yeah. You're not first time there? You first time there or not? No?
You don't write them.
Yeah, you like this office? What's your name?
Morley.
Merle. Okay.
Morley.
Have a seat. Okay, it's nice office looking. Oh, this is Lisa. Hi, how are you, Lisa?
I'm doing good. How are you, Boris?
Yes, I am okay, Lisa. What you doing there?
I'm working.
You working? Lisa, just explain a couple words about your physical therapy. What you doing here?
I'm the office manager.
Yeah, you office manager, but explain what this office is doing.
What's going on?
Yeah, just explain.
I take appointments in when people call and when they come in,
Yeah.
and I get them all set for the therapy, and I take them back for the therapist to work on.
Good. How many days in a week you work?
5 days a week.
5 days in a week?
Yes,
From the Monday
from Monday through Friday.
to Friday? From what time to what time?
9 to 6.
Don't tell him anymore. He wants your job.
Yes. Yeah.
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 8 to 6, and Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9 to 4.
Great. Can I come in?
Sure.
Yes. Thank you very much,
You're
Lisa. Okay. This is very nice looking office. Here today, middle of the daytime, not too much people there, and we coming inside. It's looking nice. Yeah. Oh, it's very nice. Yeah. Hi. How are you? I'm doing the movie about physical therapy Excel.
Okay.
Yeah. How are you?
Okay, how are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
Judy.
Judith.
Yes.
Judith, last name.
Pardon me?
What is your last name, Judith?
Malakowski.
Malakowski. Oh, you speak Polish?
No, I do not.
But Malakowski is Polish name.
I know.
You're-
Polish and Polish, Russian.
Polish, Russian, your husband or you?
What is your name?
My name is Boris.
Boris?
Yeah.
And your last name?
Kapielos.
Oh, so.
Yeah. My grandfather from the Poland.
Oh, see, my father-in-law is from Russia.
Yeah. How you like this physical therapy?
It's very good.
You first time there?
Yes, very good. This is my first time here.
First time?
Yes.
But what is the problem with you?
Well, I have a problem walking.
Problem walking?
Yes.
What is arthritis?
Cane. I need assistance. See, I walk with a cane.
And-
I want to walk without the cane.
Yes.
That's why I'm here.
What give you this physical therapy office, Excel?
Yes.
What they do it for you?
He's strengthening my legs.
Yes?
Yes.
And you like it how it's work?
Yes. and it's-
You feel better?
Yes.
Okay, stay well. Thank you very much.
You too. You be well. Too.
Okay, we're going to another side, to another people, and see what they doing. They have very nice office. I like this office. I'm in this office just second time. 2 years ago, and right now I just come in this office. Yeah, hi. How are you doing?
How are you?
Thank you. Do it. What you doing?
Where are you from? What's your accent?
No, I'm originally from Russia,
Where?
but Originally from Russia, from St. Petersburg.
Okay.
Do it.
Oh, okay, so
Yeah.
I'm working on my abs.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, because I don't have good ab strength and it bothers my back.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I can ride and compete with my horse. I've been coming here, I don't know how many years, Joe. Long time. I can't live without Joe.
What's your name?
My name is Chris.
Chris?
Yep,
Chris?
Chris. Yep.
Chris?
Finn. Yep.
Chris
Finn.
Chris Fan?
Mhm.
It's a very nice name.
Thank you.
But your first time in this office?
No, I've been here since he started. I can't.
How long he started? How many years?
How many years he been here?
We have to ask him.
3, 4 years.
Do it what you do.
Do what I was doing? I gotta
Yes.
do something else.
No, just in a second. Yeah.
Yeah, so
5, 10 years?
maybe 5 years. Joe, maybe been here 4 or 5 years.
Yeah?
But
Okay.
I've been here a lot. Yeah, if I don't have Joe, I can't compete with my horse. So.
Okay, you like here?
Oh, I love.
Do you recommend people to
Oh
come
my
in?
gosh! I
Yeah?
just want you.
From 1 to 10, how you can give this number for this office?
20. Yeah.
20?
Yeah.
It's great.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm thank you. What's your name?
Adele.
Adele? Last name?
Kiss.
Ale Kiss?
Kiss, yeah.
Give me a kiss. Okay, thank you. Okay, what you doing here?
Exercising for my back.
On your back? What, you fallen up or
Yeah.
something happened?
I fell.
You fell?
Yeah.
Where you fell? On the street?
Then at work.
When you work?
Yeah.
Okay, but how you feel after physical therapy?
Good. Good. I would take Joe home with me.
Yeah, you first time there?
Yeah.
First time there?
No, here?
Yeah.
No.
How long you there?
2 years?
2 years?
Yeah.
Great. You recommend people to come
Very
there?
much.
Okay.
Yeah, Joe.
You
Super
have to
physical
come.
therapist.
Joe, I need you. Oh,
Which table could I take?
and
Okay.
they got this little cabinet. Yeah. And we would like to see. Oh, it's good. Okay. This is Joe, owner of Physical Therapy, Excel Physical Therapy. Hi, Joe. How are you?
Hello, how are you, Boris?
Nice to see you.
Same here. Very good.
The people recommend your office.
Thank you.
You know, I asked from 1 to 10 how many numbers you can give this office. They told 20. How could be? Just explain about your office. How long you work there?
Oh, we
How-
opened up since 2006, so we're here 6 years now.
6 years?
And yep, it's the goal of Excel Physical Therapy.
Oh, it's great.
Yeah, thank you.
It's great. The people like it.
Thank you.
Yes, obviously.
You would like to also recommend the people?
Obviously, he's doing something right, right?
Yeah.
Come back. And he's-
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Boris.
Have a good day.
You too.
Bye bye.